the much-awaited love story Star Cinema brings you Lapit Nami, Ligo na You, the movie, starring 10 times Best Actor of the Gawad Uwian Awards, Royal de la Merced. This pirated movie is coming soon at your favorite sidewalk vendor.
Sana kaya ko. Sana kaya ko. Pero hindi eh. Sumasama akong tao. Kasi ang totoo masa panahon sabihin mo. Sana ako pa rin. Ako na lang. Ako na lang ulit.
Mahal ko si Trisha.
Alam ko. Alam ko.
She loved me at my worst. You had me at my best. At pinali mo naman ang lahat yun.
Babae ba talaga yung tingin mo? I just made a choice.
And you chose to break my heart.